Do we are live or not? Okay, and I think we are getting live. All right, guys. So, okay. How I'm looking. All right, so here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is like we are streaming. I think after being a month. Okay, so never mind. Right. So, okay, let me just check how the video quality is and everything, and we will go further on. Then. Okay, so let me just do a little thing. Downloads go. I will go on my live book. Where's my live book? Okay. Oh here. Okay. So let's play the live book. So like and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so here we go. Right. So let me just check like is the sound is clear and everything or not, so that we can continue our live stream. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Just give me a moment. Bear with me. I'm just checking on my laptop, and we will go with LinkedIn. Okay, so we will do easy question. Like we will just gonna work with easy questions and our tag for linked list. So linked list, like all the list question I have done till now, you will find it. Okay, so these are all the one. I just have not done two questions. So design hash and design hash map. Why? Because the thing is like in this question, like you have to understand the hash and hash map. So if you want for to me to do this question, so then I will be happy to do. I don't mind. But I'm thinking like once I will once you will comfortable with hash maps and all, then we will gonna do it. Okay, so just do let me know like in the comment section, like if you really want these things from my side. Okay, let me just check my audio quality and video quality so that we in the comment section, like if you really want this things from and here we go. Okay, it's going very well. So okay, never mind. All right, so all right, okay, just give me a second. And here we go. All right, so we are back. We are back. So I'm very happy to do this, and we will just talk. We will talk something else as well, like apart from this trend. So I'm working on some more things as well. I will gonna talk with you regarding that later on. So let's just first of all start solving the question. So the first question is saying must to sorted list. Okay, so I will do like this. So like after this question, like my tasks to like create videos on binary search as per your request, binary search and binary search tree. I will work on that as well. Okay, and after then only I will go to the like linked list medium one as well. Like linked list, if you check the medium one, they are not too much, so we will gonna I will gonna make them video like might be in 2-3 days, so is okay. And I will work on this one as well. So this question is quite good. Okay, and I will try to like if you have seen my playlist, then that will be good, because like I created my list. So if you look at over here, that's the list. Okay, so I add like 9 of the questions. These are one of the best. I just have not added these two, design hash map and hash. So like I'm thinking like I will add it like once I will teach you. If you want to for that like if you want me to put in that list, then I will put it. Just do let me know. Okay, so alright guys, so and here we go. So the first question, like we have to merge stories. So I hope the question is very simple, because the question is just saying nothing what we have to do. We just have to simply merge these two lists. Okay, so like we will merge according to their value. So the lowest value will come first side, then the like in the ascending order, from the lowest to the highest to the greatest one. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do it. So our first job is what in this question. So our first job is, let me just create my head, because like I don't know my head. So what I will do, I will create one temp, and my temp is initially at, let's say, initially on the list node 0. Okay, so I will call it linked list. Okay, no, I think this I will call it list node. It's not 0. Okay, so it's not 0. Okay, fine. So now what I will do, I will create my current, which help me to check it all the time. Okay, so like now I have to move to the next one, so it will help me in that one. So if you have if you have not watched this video complete one, then I will suggest you to go and check the video out. Okay, and I will try to add the all the links in this stream description as well, so you can find over there as well, like the playlist link, the complete playlist of linked list, and the complete questions of the links. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Let me just make it screen big. Okay, so here we go. All right, so now what I will do, I will just create a while loop, and my while loop will run till my L1 is not equals to null and my L2 is not equals to null. Okay, All right, so I hope this thing is clear. All right, so what else? Now I will make one condition. I will say if my L1 dot value is less than my L2 dot value. Okay, so what I will do, if that's the condition, if that's the condition, then I will do nothing. I will simply say my current dot next will be L1. Because my next value will be L1. L1 value will be considered in my next, and what else? Then you have to update your L1 as well. Okay, so that's what we want to do. L1 dot next. So ladies and gentlemen, like if you are watching this video, like if you think like I will teach you all the questions over here, that's not the condition. Like I will show all the question, but I will not teach you in all that deeply, like all the time limits and all that. So I will suggest you please just watch my videos. That will be more helpful for you, because because in that video I will try my best to explain the question. So in this one I'm just going randomly to any questions, and because like I'm feeling very happy, so that's why. Right, so now in this condition it means like my L1 is smaller, L1 is greater and L2 is smaller. So what I will do, I'll just simply say, okay, do one thing, my current next will be L2 and update my L2. Alright guys, so I hope this thing is very simple to do. It's not too hard. Well, never mind. Let's move. Okay, finally don't forget to update your current as well. So you have to update current. So I will update it outside. Okay, you can update in the if and else condition as well, but you have to then consider this thing in the both if and else condition. Okay, so like I just consider it outside my if and else condition. Like I don't have to write I don't have to write too much line of code, so save the time, because we engineers are lazy, yeah, not lazy, lazy. Okay, my mistake. All right, so here we go. So what I will do, I will, like, let's say my L1 length is bigger one and my L2 length is smaller one, or if my L2 is bigger one and L1 is smaller one, for that one I will work outside as well. I will say if my L1 not equals to 9, it means like my L1 is still bigger than L2. So then what I will do is similar thing over there. So instead of just copying and pasting, it's better like if you write the code, because like you will get comfortable with your codes and all that, so like you can easily memorize it, like what you're writing. Because like when you copy and paste, so it just temporarily store for like 2 hours, 5 hours, or max 10 hours. So if you writing like solving any question on the pen and paper is very very good, because because our mind is built like that, like when we are children and studying in the schools, so we learn while practicing. Okay, but in now times, like we are practicing on computer, so like solving on computer, like you will remember, but not that much as compared to the pen and paper. So I before when I was learning data structure algorithms, I literally solved most of the questions. I literally solved 300 questions on the pen and paper. Okay, I have that note as well. I will share with you. I know you will not believe, but I will show it to you. Okay, and I think why should I not create a beautiful video on that one as well? That's the great idea. That's the great idea strike in my mind. Yeah, I will create. I will show it to you in this one as well. It's no matter. The thing is, like my book is over there, so I have to take it out. Right, and here we go in this one. So we did it, and finally we have to return temp. Why temp? Because like temp is our head, so we have to return our head. Because like in this one our head, so we have to return our head, because our head will give us a whole list. Okay, so it means run this code to see any comparison error we are facing over here. I hope so we will not face any comparison, but we got it. So what is saying? List node. Okay, it's my mistake. It's not head, it's temp. Because we did not get the head, we just created our head by ourselves. So this question is very important as per to the okay, one more step. I have to put temp dot next over here. Okay, so because like I have to update my temp as well. So okay, otherwise like you will see this comparison. Okay, so what I'm saying, like I forgot what I'm saying. What I was saying, like yeah, I was talking like about like this question is very good as per the interview. Okay, so like I like my membership is get over. I will renew it again, but not now, because right now my budget is very strict. So I will continue my membership from might be 1st of October. So you will see all the premium questions as well. So be with this channel. Like I never think about this, like I will make this channel one of the best channel, but I will say I will make it happen. All right, so who's knows. So I will do my best, like instead, like if I get a job or something like that, but I will definitely work on this channel, so you'll get all updates like if you're subscribed, because I love to teaching. Yeah, I love to teach. I love to teach. So that's why. Anyways, never mind. Okay, so we just did it, and let me just submit this one as well. Here we go. It's taking a little time. Never mind. All right, so it's waiting for this condition. What it's saying? Minus 90. Okay, so what's happening? We did not get 5 over here. Okay, I think we just did a little mistake. Let me just have a look over here what the mistake could be. L1 not equals to if L1. This is interesting. What can be the mistake in this one? It was like our current is okay, temp. Okay, is okay. Like I have to use while condition instead of if, or should I use if condition? I think I have to use if condition, or if I don't know. I will go for this test, but like I think might be like, yeah, might be. I'm not sure. Let's see. I will use the following test case over here. All right, so now I will run for it. Let's see. Do it will gonna accept. And here we go. So okay, so yeah. Okay, you know why while is like if you are still like why the while, like I watched one, I read one article like what is the difference between while and if. So there is a difference. I think if it's just for the like if the following like yeah. While is for like you want to get this, like if this condition appear, then you have to go for the particular condition. But if you like if this or if only if this thing happen, if and only this thing happen. Okay, so that's why I think so. So that's I think the difference is okay. So yeah, and now it will go 100%. And here, ladies and gentlemen, we do this question. So I will not tell you about the runtime and space complexity. I will suggest you to watch my videos. The link is in the description. Everything is in the description. You will find. So that's all for this one. Let's go back to another previous question. Okay, so we just did it. Now we move on this one. Right, so okay guys, here we go. All right, so okay. What should I do? I'm thinking something else, not about the questions. I'm thinking like the idea you gave me, like okay, I will show you that book. Okay, that's my love. Is like I still remember like some questions I did like this. I'm sleeping. I wake up early, like somewhere around 4 o'clock in the morning. I used to wake up like 4 around, but like at that time, like right now my routine, like I wake up early in the morning at somewhere around 3 4. Not 3 now. Just now. Right now I'm waking up 4 because I work. I sleep very late in the night, so that's why like I sleep like 4 hours max to max 4.5 hours. That's my max. Okay. Okay, so yes, I'm saying like so I was like feeling sleepy. That's the starting phase of like I'm doing. So what happened, like some questions are like that, like I'm just understanding the question, like in the starting phase, like you don't get to know like how the question will gonna like how you perform these questions in the actual code. Okay, so you get the logic like what the question is saying, but you don't get the coding output. So I'm watching a video on the YouTube, so I was like okay. I was literally like that, man. So and I still remember, but like things makes you more better. Okay, if you're still working hard on something, like you will definitely gonna achieve this. Okay, the main thing is like you have to work hard. You have to give your best to get something. Okay, so in this one, we will simply list node, which is our current. Let's say current. Okay, and is that head. Well, so we have to remove duplicates in this one. So what I will do, I will simply run a while condition until my current node reach null. Okay, and I will make one if condition over here. I will say if my current is at null, then simply break it. Okay. Else if, what else if? Else if I will do like let's say my current dot val equals to my current dot next dot value. Okay, so what's happening over here in this question? So ladies and gentlemen, I'm just saying like let's say I am on this pointer, I'm saying this is my current dot val, this is my current dot val, and this is my current dot next dot val. Okay, if they are similar, then what I will do, my pointer skip this one, my pointer skip this one, and start pointing on this one. Okay, so that's what I'm doing over here. Okay, so I have this thing very clear. Right, so I just do, so what I will do, I will just simply say my current current equals to dot next dot next. Okay, here we go. So now what I will do, I will make one another else condition, like else what if, like if they, like if they are not similar, then what I will do, I will just simply say okay, then the very simple, then what you have to do, just simply say current equals to current dot next. That's all, ladies and gentlemen, and finally return our head. We have to return head, not current. I told you we have to return head, because head is the head will give the our now final link, final linked list. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you listen the right thing. Let's see any compilation error do we face, and yes, we face a compilation. What's the compilation error is current dot val if the current value is equals to, I think I have to do something like, I don't know, I'm not sure, might be like this, because I can say like my current next value, if it's similar to the my next, like skip this one. Okay, no, that's not the condition. That's the condition. I'm failing over here. Current equals to current dot next. Is it something like I have to put it in the brackets? I'm not sure. Is it that? I think it's still like I will face the problem. I think the problem in my code. Yeah, problem is in my code. So this is okay. Like else if what I'm doing, I'm just saying like current dot val. The val is given over here. Is equals to like current dot times val. I don't know what's happening over here. So okay, what can be the case? Will it be like this? It might, no, that's the condition. I don't know what's happening over here, so I just did save condition. Okay, let me just go and check in the section what the people are saying about this thing. Let's see. Yeah, this one. Let's see a good one. Let's see a good one. Query solution Java. If my list.next equals to, that's what I did, but still saying like no, we can't accept. I did the same thing. I did the same thing, but I don't know why it's not accepting my one. Okay, I think might be I did a mistake over here. I have to say if my current, yeah, if my current dot next. Oh man, my mistake. I really hate this thing. Seriously. Okay, now I have to focus on the questions, not on these things. But still it's saying like no. Okay. I have to say current dot next over here as well. Let's see. This team, I don't know. I think it will go a little bit big now. Yeah, because like I'm just talking about rubbish things over here. So, never mind. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. So this is one of the coolest questions. Like the this complexity depends on the load on the server. Like I literally checked like on the Leetcode discussion section. So I just searched the question like why there's a time difference, but like we are running in the own time, but still we're getting not 100%. So there's somebody told like it depends like if you have the premium membership, but before that I have 10 premium membership, but I still getting that one as well. So I just like I just see some reviews over there. One of the guys said like it does not matter if you have the premium or not, it's all the Leetcode server. So Leetcode, you have to do something, man. You have to connect with AWS to get good things. You have to do, man. You have to do. So which one you test? So here we go. We just solved two questions. That's amazing. Now leave this like I'm feeling bored. Hmm. Uh, uh, okay, so this question is I hope very simple, very simple. So we don't have to do anything. But I'm feeling sleepy now. Before that, I'm feeling very happy. Yeah, guys. We just have done like 91 videos. So more 9 videos. After that, what I will do, I will just simply rebrand my channel. I told you, and you will love it. You will love it, man. That's my guarantee. Because like I have a very interesting idea in my mind. So let's see. Never mind. While what I will do, I will say by fast not equals to null. Mm, and my fast dot next not equals to null. Okay. If there's the condition, then what I will do, I will just simply say my fast will go fast dot next is it go 2 times, so it go 2 steps. Okay, guys, it's literally hard to do the live stream. I feel like you have to continuously speak. I'm feeling thirsty now, and now I will simply return. Okay, before returning, I have to make one condition over here as well. If my fast is so they are together, if they intersect, if they reach the same point, I will simply return true for them. Okay, otherwise I will return false as the question is saying. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I hope this thing is clear, like how I'm doing it. Okay, so and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let me submit this question as well, and hopefully it will gonna accept. Otherwise I will smack down my PC. Okay, intersection of two linked lists. Okay, so let's go. Alright guys, alright. Okay, so we can solve this question using two methods. One is difference in and one is set. So what should I go for? Which one should I go for? Let me go for the difference one because it's the easy one and I love this one. What I'll do, I will create my list node A, which is initially at head A. Okay, so guys, I'm telling you this question is very beautiful questions. As you see the like ratio, and you know this is one of the good questions. So I suggest in my video of this question, so I tell you two approaches to solve how to solve this question. So I will suggest you to watch that two videos. So you will become champion, man. Then you will say thanks, boy. I'll say never mind. Yeah, thanks me later. Thanks me later about this one. Okay, so what I will do, I will say okay, if my A does not intersect, then I will print null. I'll go for the null. If it's not going in the first iteration, then in the second iteration, what I will do, I will simply say it will go to my A dot next. My A will go to my over here, this one, B1. Okay, head B. It's changing direction. Similarly, it will go for B as well. If B equals to null question mark B dot next. Alright guys, so I hope this thing is like okay what I'm showing. Okay. Alright, so what else? Okay, there is nothing, just simply return A or B. I don't know, like like you can either return A or B. So in this one, okay. Some ideas are coming on mind, but like that's why I'm getting too much distracting. More. I did it, bro. I did it. So I hope this thing is clear. Let me just submit this question as well. Alright. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So just give me a few moments. So like I will be right back. Just give me some seconds. Because like my brother is calling me again. So I don't know what happened over there. So I will play a beautiful screensaver so that you can watch that till now. This one is literally good, man. It's literally good. So I will try to okay. So if you want to listen the sound, then I will make it for you. Okay, now I think you can listen the sounds very well. Okay, and I will let me just close my camera for right now. Alright, so okay, what I will do, I will simply say view capture off. All right, guys. So we are back. We are back. We are back. Back. Yes. I hope this thing is. Yeah. I like this one. I literally like this one. So because you know the clarity, like if you run this one in the 4K, then awesome, awesome, very awesome. Okay. So we just did the question. I think we submitted this one as well. Yeah. So and thanks to my brother, he just made a cup of tea for me. My brother is nice. So sometimes he irritates me, but rest of the time he's okay. Sorry guys, my mistake. Okay. Alright, so let's just start solving this question with a beautiful cup of tea. Enjoy the life. Okay, so alright, so how are we gonna solve this question? Okay. Alright guys, so how are we gonna solve this question? Okay, so in this one we are gonna head over. It's very simple. It's very simple. So we'll do, I'll get my current over here and I will point my, this is my initial my head. Then I will run a while loop. In my while loop I will say till my current node equals to null, run this loop. Okay, and I will say if my current dot next dot well equals to well, then what do you have to do? Then you have to say current right, and this will be my current dot next. Not my current. Right, so what the else condition will be? The else condition will be here. I have to simply say current equals to current dot next and simply return. This question is easy. This is easy. It didn't have over here. Alright, so I hope so. This is going very well. Okay, so never mind. Here we go. It's judging it. We just get a. I hate man. Believe me, I hate. What happening over here? Another mistake. Okay. So if current next dot well is current next equals to current. Might be this can be the condition. If I remove this current dot next, then will it go? Let's see. You know, right now, seriously, believe me, I'm not in the mood to solve this question, so that's why it's happening. If I say I have my current dot well in this that one I'm positioning, then I can do it. But okay, so it will come. Then I think I have to. Don't you think like I have to put nest over here as well? So I don't know. I don't fucking know. Because I think I did with the iterative one. Yeah, my one is iterative. So let's see any iteration solution. I just okay. I have to write this else condition as well. I will not go for this. Okay, yeah, okay. I got it. So okay, guys, now being serious. Come on, man. Come on, I'll show what are you doing. So this question is very important. So it's very good question. So let's say my while has similar elements, similar values. So what I will do, I will first of all say if my while my head node equals to null and my head dot val is equals to my val. If that's the condition, if my because you know my head value can be similar to my val, that can be the case. Okay, then what I will do, I will simply say do one thing. I have to do head equals to head dot next. Alright, let me just write one base condition. If my head is null, then I will simply return my head over here. Alright guys, I hope this thing is clear. Okay, and then I can create a list node current equals to, or now I will say my if my current not equals to null, I will say while my current dot next I think not equals to null. And I can just feel like that one as well. I'm not sure. Well, I'm checking about the another thing. Okay, so let's see what we get. I'm not, because like yeah, we are checking on the that one. Yeah, it's accepting. So should I submit it? I think let me go for the another test case. Let me go for a similar one. So I will say one. Okay, I will put one over here. Let me run this test case. Let's just see. Yes, accepting. So let me just submit this one now. So hopefully I think it will gonna accept. Yes, it's coding accepted. So we just did it. Guys, believe me, I explained this question in very good way. Okay, so I will suggest you to go and check the video out. Believe me, this question is very important question. Is I explained in a very good way. So I will suggest you to do that thing please for me, not for anyone. Just do it for me. I really will be happy. So now we are talking about reverse linked list. So we have to reverse the linked list. Okay. So this question is very important again. So how you want to solve this question? In this question, I'll simply say my list node, I will create previous, current, or forward, not or. My previous is null. If you want to explain why is that so, then again check my video. So because believe me, guys, all the questions I explained, I'm not saying like that one is the perfect one, but I did my best to teach you in a very good way. I tried my best. So all up to you. Okay, so I will say while my current node equals to null, then what I will say, okay, I'm just looking at my live stream, so if you think like I'm working at the answers, I'm just looking at my live stream. So my live stream is just going over here. Believe me, because I have to check like if anyone come over here, so I have to check the user. So that's fine. Okay, never mind. Just focus on the questions again. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply say current forward will be my current dot next. My current dot next will be previous. My previous will be current, and my current will be forward. Okay. Alright, so we just did it, and I've simply returned previous over, because previous is my now my current. So like previous is my new head. Okay, so that's why. Here you go, guys. So let me submit this one. We just did it. The discussion is quite simple, not too hard. Let's just talk about this one. This no, this one is your. Believe me, if you solve the question, then you understand how to solve two more questions about using this. So like the previous one, reverse linked list, I did the same approach in this question, because I use the same approach in this question, and I will use the one more question approach to get the mid of the node. Okay, so linked list mid node. Okay, that's what I'm saying. My bad. Okay, so sorry about that. Let me see like how it's look. Okay, here we go. Alright guys, so before creating this, what I will do, I will create my public list node. That will be my list node. I'll create my mid node. Okay, and this node is on my head. Alright guys. Okay, so I have to get the mid of this one, of this linked list. So by using that, I can reverse that one, and I can check this whether they have palindrome or not. Okay, so to do that, I have to use my slow and fast pointer. Slow at head node null. Dude, what I'm doing? I don't know what I'm doing with myself. I'm so sorry. My mistake, my bad. Is that head also? I will run a while loop, and my while loop will say my fast dot next not equals to null, and my fast dot next not equals to null. Okay. Alright guys, so what I will do in this one, I will say my fast will move 2 times and my slow will move 1 time. Okay, my fast will go fast dot next dot next. Believe me, after this live stream, I will sit on my bed, I will watch some random YouTube videos. Seriously. I like to watch random YouTube videos. That's all what I do in the whole day. Let's let me call it reverse. Let's no have. Okay, so I let me just check if my sound is clear. No. Let me just check my sound. 100% clear. Okay, so okay. What I will do, for the reversing, we will use the same funda to reverse it. So I'll say previous is that previous is null. Forward is null as well. Right. Here we go. Okay. Now what I will do? Now I know my current. I'm feeling very lazy, right? See, I don't know. Come on, man. Get up. Right now the time is according to the IST time is 9:43 a.m. Okay, so I'm streaming early in the morning. Not too early, but like in the morning time. So good morning, guys. If you wake up just now, welcome to the stream. So we are just doing some not random questions like the linked list question which we have done previously. So what I'm doing over here, man, I literally hate myself sometimes. Yeah, like my bad. You know the word yeah means like you are saying to your like you are saying a kind of bro to your friends. So like in our language we call it yar. So it's very cool. It's cool thing. So sometimes I used to say even to the older guys. So I just say like yar uncle like and you know one of the old guys, he told me like I said like I'll say something like I say like yar tau. You know tau means like my father brother. So like just a random like I just say like he's a very big old guy. So I just respect him, say like yar tau rehende. So it means like please don't this uncle uncle please don't do this thing. You know what this guy told me, like I'm not your yar, okay? You can either beat me. I was like, what? Come on, man. Like I don't know. So that's the very thing. This thing happened like in 2018, like when I'm going for my driving license. Okay, so I have like the final job left. Like I have to give my photo ID to them. So I'm waiting in the queue. So like somehow like I managed to come in the front of the queue like just after because of that. So that old guy is very get angry for me. Like I was like, oh man. Anyways, so okay, so current next equals to what will be? It will be my previous. Okay, so my previous will be my current and my current will be my forward. Okay, we did it. We just did it, man. This 2 steps happened. The final step is left. Final step left. No, I don't want to waste my energy. So I think yeah, you can't see me. So like you can't see this question. So I think now you can see this question very well. Okay, let me just right. So now let me zoom it again. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Okay. Oh man, I forgot to create the base condition. Is this question? I was the if my head is null or my head dot next is null, I will simply return head. Same thing over here. Same thing over here as well. So this over here. And instead of head, I have to return true because this is a boolean one. Alright. Okay, so what I will do? What's my next job? So I will say if there's a condition, then okay, then what I have to I have to make a call to my functions which I created outside. Okay, so what I'll do, I will simply list node. Let's call it mid. Because we are working for a mid node, and this is our head, right? And over here I will create list node, new head, which is my mid dot next. Okay, and my mid dot next is pointing to null. That's good. Then what I will do, I will make a call to my reverse because I have to reverse it as well. So I will say and head equals to reverse new head or head, like whatever you can put anything over here. Okay, and now what I'll do, I will create 2 pointers. Let's say A is at my head and list node B is my new head. Alright, and what I will do, I will create one boolean over here. I will create say result. If you know why I'm doing this, then you have to check the video. That video is very, I will back like that. If you go that video, it's my guarantee you will understand this question very easily, very easily. And I will say like I put my 1000% in that video. So I will please suggest you to check that video. Please believe me, you will love it. You will love it. If you don't like, then just dislike that video. I'm saying just dislike it. Believe me. Okay. So that's all. Okay. So also while my current we are not doing current. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to say if my b not equals to null. Okay. And I will say if my a dot val not equals to b dot val, if there's a condition, then what I will do, I will simply say the result will be my false, and I will break it. Alright, so I will simply break it. Alright, else what can be happen, else what can be the possible, as like if they are similar, then I just update them. So I will say like okay, if they're similar, then check for the next value. Okay, that's all. Okay, so I have this thing is clear. Okay, so finally return it, but before returning I have to do some work over here. I have to again reverse it, because like because right now my node is in the reverse form, so I have to connect it. So for that what I will do, I'll just simply say okay, do one thing, just say new head will be reverse new head, and my mid dot next will be my new head. Okay, not null now. Okay, for this explanation check that video, link in the description. Thank you. Then let's go to the comparison and dual base. So clap for me. Just kidding, don't clap, otherwise if somebody listen, like if you are not alone in the room, then somebody say like what the heck is going on over here. I don't want to make trouble for anyone. I'm a good guy. Believe me. I'm a good guy, man. I'm a good guy. Okay, so delete now. We are working on this. One of the trolling question in the complete Leetcode. These questions get trolled too much. If you check the discussion section, you will literally laugh. This question is very funniest question. I don't know. But I like this question, man. I will go for this mode. I will support this question. I will support this question. Seriously. I like this question, man. I will go for it. Okay, so I like this question, man. I like this question. Which, like, if somebody hates something, then I like that thing. I don't know why. I love it, man. I love it. Okay, love you question. Love you question. Okay. Alright, so let's talk about this. How long? It's 2 line of code. Just that's all. That's all. That's all what it is. If you want to understand this explanation, check the link in the description. Like, you will find the playlist in the description. remember that thing. Playlist link in the description. In the playlist, I have considered all the questions. So enjoy the day. We just run this code. Submit it. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 100%. Okay. About these two questions, I'm again saying if you want videos on these two questions, just do let me know. I will make it as soon as possible. I will make it like immediately, and like not as soon as, like I will make it faster on these two. Okay, like in this one we are getting with the hash map, hash set, hash table, like same thing, arrays and linked list, like that. So like similar, same thing in the both of the questions. That's what I'm saying. Like if you want now, just do let me know, guys. Otherwise, you will see it later on. Okay, depending on the mood. If my mood changes, like I will then make it today even. But right now my mood is not to solve this question. But like I want to explain you things, like how things are happening over here. That's what I want to explain. Alright, so let's just solve it in the middle of the link. Is a similar question to that, but I'm feeling very lazy. I don't want to do it. Okay, my fast is at my head. My list node slow is my head as well. Run a while loop to check if my fast node equals to null and my fast dot next node equals to null. Okay, and what I will do, I will just simply say fast equals to fast dot next dot next slow dot. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so now what we have to do, just tell me. Simply return slow. Alright, so that's the code is like, let's just see like any compilation. I like we don't get, but might be we can fail a test case, might be. I'm thinking can go like depend on the base condition over here. It's ah we did it bro. Okay, the final one, last one. So what is saying the question, like you have to convert them into base to the power. Okay, so we have to do it using a base one. Oh, this question is very good. Oh, it's very good. All right, so I will say like it is very simple. So I just want to, like I'm thinking about that idea. You know the idea like I told you about my book. I want to share it to you. You know, like I'm thinking like how, like should I make a video or like a short? I think like if I make a short of that, then that will be great. But like I will make a video as well, so that you will because like, if you are a beginner and learning something, that will be a very great and helpful thing for you guys. Believe me, that will be very great and helpful thing. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Just give me again some seconds and time. I will be right back. I get a call. Give me a second. Okay, please. Thank you. Okay. Alright, so we are back. We are back. Alright guys, so okay, just give me a moment. Let me show you my face. We are back. I hope you like the skin server. I literally like the skin server, so that's why I'm saying it. So let me scroll this tag. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. So what the question is like to solve this question, we can use two approaches. One is tag and one is using bit manipulation. So what should I go for? I will go for the easy one, bit manipulation. Bit manipulation is easy and the optimal one as well. Okay. So what my first job is? My first job is to create sum. So okay, I will create result. As simple. Let's take it as simple as that. Okay. Then what I'll do, I will simply run a while loop. My while loop will run till my had not equals to null. Okay. Then what I will do, I will just say, okay, my result you have to multiply by 2, or like you know I'm saying just shift it. So that's what I'm doing over here. Okay, and now you have to update my result, like add it that previous value to my result, which one, head dot value, my head value. Okay, and finally you have to update your head as well. So what you have to do, you have to simply say head equals to head dot next. Alright guys, so I hope this thing is like, this is a very simple question. Okay, and finally return our result, because that will have our value. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all the code is, and we just did it very good. So let me just run this code. Let's see any compilation. I'm thinking like, should I make a video using these glasses? What do you say? What's your opinion? Just do let me know what's your opinion. What do you think? Alright, so okay, it's going, stream is going, okay, and here we go. So we just did it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just go back and see. So right now, premium question, you will definitely want to see on after 1st of October these two, and these two I just let me know if you want to see right now. Okay, so now what the further task, our further job, let me zoom it out. My further job is to teach you this linked list medium one as well. So difficulty medium. They're not too much. Might be there are something like 20, 30. They are just not even 20, I think. If you count, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32, like out of 32 we did I think somewhere 7, something like that. We have did some 7 questions something. Okay, so yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's all. And what else if you want to know, just do let me know. And I'm working on something. Let me show it to you. So I was working, if I go to my quick access, on this kind of like I found this one, so I will show you this one, this Bigo sheet. Is very like this is like kind of like, I think like you have to pay for this one, but I get it for free, so you can I will share it with you as well if you want. Okay, but like I'm thinking I will print it out and I will put a poster over here, so that it really helps like while solving the question, and it will look very attractive as well. So I hope you like this thing. Okay, so yeah, and guys, yes, finally my book. Let me show you my book. It's not a home. I hit my laptop. Okay, just give me a second. Alright, just give me a second, and here we go. So guys, this is my everything. Believe me, this book has all the questions. This complete field, like complete. You not rarely find any empty pages. All the questions. So if I will show you in video, like you see this like this book has all the questions from the beginners. I started with arrays, okay, and I end with I think trees, no, hash map and heap. I end in this one with the hash map and heap. So this question appears in merge sorted array, so I just solve it completely. Like I use a printout statement as well. What's going on? I write this thing. I will show it to you in a video. So definitely. Okay, so yeah, this is all the, like, like the question, the best question, best time to sell and stop. I did it like this. The best time to sell and buy stop. That question, that very famous question. So I did it all over here. So like there are approximately 7-8 questions. So it's all over here. So I did the graph as well. So like it will look cool and easy to understand for me if I want to revise it. So this is my best book, and I respect my hard work. Everyone do have hard work. Everyone do. Okay. Thing is like how effort you, like how much effort you put. Okay. So stream is going, I think, very fine. Playback 6, average view duration 9. Okay. So I don't know. Like if you're not watching, then never mind. Okay. So I hope this thing is clear, and we will get the premium chip. Once I get the premium chip, then I will start talking about this question as well, the detailed explanation of graph. Okay. Only after that. Alright, guys. So what else I just want to share with you, and else the other thing I want to share with you is about the binary tree which you have requested. Okay, so, you know what I am too excited to do? So not binary search, binary tree. This binary tree and binary search tree. So first we go for binary tree. So like I will just give a quick idea what the binary tree is. Binary tree is like we have the full, like binary tree has only either zero tree, either one node or two node. But in this one, like we just deal with two nodes. Okay, so a binary tree will be a full tree when its children has two nodes. Okay, and it will be perfect when it has like a level two nodes. Okay, like in the first level all the children have two nodes, in the second level all the children have two. And the perfect one is the like complete one is that which has like all the levels with two nodes. Okay, so I will explain more deeply in today videos. Yes, I will try my best to make a video on today. Yeah, I will make it. Just kidding. Alright, so never mind. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, like if you see, we got 200 questions. I thought. So we will do it, man. We are hardworking students. We are hardworking because we have to get into the frame. So yeah. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's been quite a long time. Like I'm streaming with you. How much is around? It's almost 1 hour. We did it. Okay, so once I complete the linked list question as well, so then medium one, then I will screen that as well. So I will do it, guys. Believe me, I will do it. I'm feeling very lazy, so that's why I'm just I don't know what we say, like just you are relaxing your body's muscles. So I'm just relaxing that. Okay, alright. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining this live stream. If you are watching in the future, like I don't know, but whatever. Thank you very much for watching this. And this is the beginning, like in the starting like phase. Like yeah, I'm improving myself. I myself watched some of the previous videos. Like I forgot something in that question. So I watched my video and I see like, dude, how cringe I am. So I'm like, once you're doing something and putting effort, you're improving yourself. You look at your past. Okay, I did this right. In the future I will not do this mistake. Okay, guys, believe me. Just 100 after 100 videos, I will rebrand my channel. So and the second rebranding will happen after 500 or 1000 videos. Depend on me. Alright, so your job is just to like or subscribe. All up to you if you want. Okay, no forcing us. Thing like just try to share this video because like sharing really helps. Like motivate, sharing really helps me. Okay, to expand the reach of this channel. Okay, anyways, never mind. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, watching this stream, and I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next one. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, I love you. Take care, bye bye. Love you.